Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as we can probably tell, I already have my foundation and eyebrows on. And we have two princesses left to film. We have Elsa and we have Mulan. And I'm feeling very Mulan-y in my robe. It's cute. Okay, anyway. And to do Mulan, I'm going to use the Jawbreaker palette. I know what you're thinking. I thought you said Mulan was going to be simple. It is. But how are you going to do it with the Jawbreaker palette, which is ever so colorful? Well, if you remember correctly, I said I thought Mulan would draw on her heritage. So Mulan is going to draw on her heritage. All right. So first things first, I'm going to go in with a JS5. And we're just going to go straight in because, as you can see, my face is already pretty much done. And we're going to go into Good Morning because that's exactly what today is. It's going to be a good morning. Now, before I go in, I'm going to smooth out any foundation and concealer that may be on my eye. And just like we did last time, I'm going to do one eye, then I'm going to do the other eye. But unlike last time, I'm just going to go through and fully do the eye, and then I'm going to go through and do the other eye off camera, and then I'll be back. So, first things, we are going to take Good Morning, and we're going to just pack Good Morning on. And I'm actually not taking Good Morning all over my lid. I'm just putting it on and then in circular motions, kind of blending it in place. Okay. So as you can see, Good Morning has already kind of brightened my eye compared to this side. Now we are going to go into, we are going to go into Cone. And that is going to go actually in my crease. And it's such like a muted but brightening shade that I'm going to bring it all the way in to my inner crease. And then in circular motions, I'm just going to blend it out. But I'm going to blend it up and out. Like right at my inner corner, I'm kind of staying in place. But as I get out, I'm blending it upwards. Alright, can we just acknowledge how much more awake this eye looks versus this eye? It's ridiculous. Alright, now we're going to go in with a JS6 brush, and we're going to go into the shade Tasty. And we're lightly taking Tasty. And Tasty is going to go right in my crease. Tasty is just going to be that definer shadow that we need. And since I still have a little bit of Cone left on my JS5 brush, we're just going to go and blend that out. Okay, that's it. Like, we're done with that. I am, however, I'm going to clean off that JS6 brush. And I'm gonna go into Cone. And I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. And that's literally all I'm doing with my lower lash line. Okay, so for the lid itself, we are gonna go into Snack, and I'm just gonna put Snack on my finger, and I'm gonna press it all over my lid. Now, because I do still want Tasty to shine through, I'm gonna go back in with just a smidge of product on that JS6 brush, and I'm going to deepen Tasty a little bit. And now I'm gonna go with that JS5 and just blend. Okay, so if you wanted a super wearable eye, you could stop here. Just saying. I'm gonna go do my other eye off camera before I do liner, and then I will be right back. The opening scene, Mulan, well, not the opening scene, but in the beginning, Mulan was going with her family heritage. She became a geisha to learn how to properly be a woman, what, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Now, geishas tend to have very pale white faces, very dramatic looking eyes, and then a red lip. I'm not doing a red lip. I am, however, going to go in with Poinsettia and use it as an eyeliner. I know, it's very, very ballsy. So this is what Poinsettia looks like. But I'm not gonna stop there. And you'll see where we're gonna go with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip a liner brush, like so. Actually, you know what? I lied, I don't wanna use this brush. An angled brush. I'm gonna go into Poinsettia, like so. And this is where things get kind of nerve-wracking. I'm gonna press that on my lash line. And I'm gonna use that to line my eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera because I need to have a very steady hand and it's gonna take me a hot minute. Okay. Now that we have aligned our eyes with Poinsettia, we are not done. I'm going to go back into the Jawbreaker palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Licorice. I'm really going to coat my brush with this. And then, because I really want the shade to pop, I'm gonna pop that right along where I started lining. Mainly, as you can see, on the outer corner. Don't worry, I'm going to clean it up. Alright, now I am going to clean this brush off, and then I'm going to clean this up. So I'm going to go into Snack. I'm gonna put it over where I put this on my inner corner. That way it's still kind of gonna shine through, but not too much. Then I'm gonna go into cone, and I'm gonna clean up the lower lash line and the outer and the wing itself. And as I clean it up, it's gonna kind of make like a fun little color here. All right. So now that we have some red geisha vibes going, let's finish the rest of our face. I'm gonna use some Space Case blush in Cosmic Gangster. I'm just gonna dip my beauty sponge into it because it's not really a powder, but it's not a cream either. It is a very weird formula. And I'm just gonna dab that because geishas have very rosy cheeks if you've ever seen them. Yes, I went and looked at pictures. Don't judge me. Okay, I do feel like I went a little overboard with the blush, so I'm gonna fix that real quick. I'm just gonna go in with a clean and blend it, pat it very well. Okay. For highlight, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Pink Sands, and I'm going to go into this pretty gold one. Oops. All right, so I'm gonna pop on some mascara. I'm gonna set my face and I will be right back. Okay, and we are back. I popped on some mascara. I actually went in with a little bit of Ace Beauty French Vanilla Glimmer eyeshadow on my inner corners, and I popped on some Jeffree Star Fully Nude. Now, why did I choose this for Mulan? I really think she would do a very simple look. Very, as you may have noticed, I didn't really have any setting powder on. I have foundation on, I have concealer on, I have a cream contour on, and then I did use setting powder under my eyes, but I didn't set the rest of my face. I wanted my natural complexion to kind of shine through, but not too much. But I really feel like this is very Mulan. It is a very simple eye look with a very dramatic eyeliner that is kind of linked to her heritage in the sense that geishas do a lot of pink, red, sometimes they even do blues up top. So I really feel like that's a nice little play on her heritage. A beachy nude lipstick, because I feel like a nude would be too boom, So I went in with the Fully Nude from Jeffree Star. I feel like it is a perfect complementing shade. And we're done. But without the eyeliner, even if you didn't want to do the eyeliner, this is a very easy, wearable, everyday look. And I really like it. Like, even with the eyeliner, I could see myself wearing this a lot. But I also like a lot of red. So, that is today's video, guys. We have one more Disney princess. Oh my god. I feel like I've been filming this series forever. And I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. I think I'm nervous because as I'm filming this right now, none of them have aired. So I don't have any feedback at all. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Okay, I have Elsa, the last Disney princess. I am nervous, but it's gonna be okay. And I will see you guys in the next video. October is coming up, before I forget. October is coming up, which means Halloween. So I'm thinking the entire month of October, I'm gonna have a Halloween theme. And I think I know what it's gonna be. I think, maybe, I don't know. I have a very fun series I'm working on. I'm working on so many series right now, it's ridiculous. The Disney Princess is almost done. The other two I don't really want to announce yet. I'm still working out the details. But I think like the third one I'm working on can also tie into the Halloween goals. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit that notification bell. And make sure you get your friends, because once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. And it's a pretty good giveaway with actual name brand products that are unused. I should probably throw that in there. That are unused. And I have a bunch of really cute things that I'm going to be throwing in there. One of which is this adorable little NYX keychain purse. It comes with a mascara. So I also have a few BoxyCharm items that I have not touched that I'm going to be throwing in there. But I had personally went out and bought a few things that are going in there. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Make sure you share the video and tell your friends, family, coworkers, whatever, to subscribe, because it is open to everybody in the United States. I'm not shipping internationally because I don't have that kind of money. All right, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.